This is Sankas. I'm going to show you now how to change a Mercedes ML W163 door lock activator broken spring. It's got a common problem where the door's lock bounces up and down. Just need to change one of the spring which goes into this hole here. First of all, get a flathead screwdriver, lock the lock down and look for 3 holes. There's one here, one L-shaped hole there, and hidden hole here as well. That goes into one of the hole, this one and that holes. Forget this small hole here. Make sure clean this hole. Use the pin. Sometimes the broken spring stuck inside. Get the new spring. Just slide it inside. Make sure sitting nicely. Push this down, slightly down. You see locks. Now you can see it's got a spring movement. That means it will work perfectly nice. That's all. You can put back to the car. Job is done.